Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back to your daily crypto news and analysis. And today, we are going to be talking about the Phoenix as it has rose finally from the ashes, Ripple and XRP. And with that being said, let's just dive into this video that got posted by Cowboy Crypto over on Twitter. This is Craig DeWitt. Remember, this was his prediction around the case, and we do see the SEC gets their ass kicked in the Ripple case. Absolutely gets their ass kicked. The ruling comes out in such a way that XRP is alone cleared as a non-security in the US. Listen closely.
Hit me. SEC gets their ass kicked in the Ripple case. Absolutely get their ass kicked in the Ripple case. But the ruling comes out in such a way that XRP is alone cleared as a non-security in the United States. Meaning that with all the other stuff that the SEC is pulling, suing exchanges, suing other coins, are going to sue some big ones as well, that only BTC and XRP have legal clarity in the United States for a 2-year period. Hit me.
Welcome to that 2-year period. And guys, it is going to be very, very interesting. And by the way, this was the hot take from early June, Bullish Craig DeWitt. I believe that this is from where the clip is, but I'll play it real quick for you guys.
But we'll talk, hot and honey hot takes you got.
Gotcha.
Doesn't have to be crypto. It can be anything in life. But give me a couple good sound bites.
Go, crypto is life, man. You got the those are the same thing for me. Here's my hot take.
Hit me.
SEC gets their ass kicked.
So yeah, this is basically the same clip. It was just given some credit to Riz XRP. I forgot who this individual was. I know that I'm blanking. I do apologize. But nonetheless, as we do look at what just happened, it is a historical moment in time. I did a live stream earlier yesterday, and I live streamed for well over an hour. Guys, this is so exciting. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I'm so damn excited right now. As we look at exchanges, Uphold actually just went down. Uphold went down for roughly, I want to say like 2-3 hours. Uphold is back up. Yes, we went down, but no problem. Could cope with the 50x spike in volume we saw today. Uphold feels proud and vindicated to have been the only platform to stick with XRP through thick and thin over the past few years. We'd love to give props to our law firm, Paul Hastings, who gave us the confidence to make the right call when every other US venue listened to other counsel and delisted XRP at the first opportunity. It is unforgivable that we went down today. That said, in 2021, when all other major exchanges went down during explosions in activity, Uphold's uptime was better than that of Coinbase and Binance. Today's spike in volume was simply unprecedented. The 10x scaling buffers we put in place after the 2021 boom were simply not enough to handle the spike. We have resolved that now, but we are doing everything in our power to handle these elevated loads. Today is confirmation that maximum US regulatory FUD is behind us. It is time to celebrate. And that's right. Crack open the beer, crack open the wine, whatever you guys have, because it is an official XRP party. Comment down below if you got your invitation. Hashtag XRP Army. And hit that like button because we finally have this behind us. And almost all major exchanges, Kraken, Coinbase, Gemini as well, which, by the way, we were never even listed on Gemini. And then also a few people have started to speculate Robinhood could very well list XRP. I am very interested into seeing what will happen this week coming up. But all major exchanges basically relist XRP today. Guys, it is so exciting. And you know what? I have to give it to Uphold because listen, the volume today on XRP has been outstanding. I said over on Twitter, the most amazing thing I have seen is XRP nearly flipping Ethereum's 24-hour volume and sitting at nearly 50% of Bitcoin's. Look at this. Over here. Look at this market cap. Look at the volume sitting right next to the market cap. We're talking about XRP. Almost a $43 billion market cap, having half the volume of Bitcoin, which is at 611, almost $612 billion. XRP has $0.4 billion in 24-hour volume. opposed to Bitcoin's almost 24 billion and Ethereum's 11.1 billion. We're coming for you, Ethereum. Hello? Are you there? XRP's coming. Guys, we have seen massive amounts of volume today on XRP. From the announcement, we've seen 24-hour volume skyrocketing to billions and billions and billions of dollars, as you guys do see here on the 24-hour volume. It really is very interesting to see what's happening around the space. And I even did comment a little bit on the monumental moment for the XRP community. Huge win in the SEC case for Ripple and XRP. XRP is up over 95% today. Coinbase relisted, and now we have a ton of other exchanges. This is just the beginning. History is being made. And as we do look at XRP, guys, it was up about 218% from the June 2022 low. So in 1 year, basically, this thing was up about 218%, which is very exciting. It looks like it's still trying to rock and roll here. You can see the squeeze between the EMAs on the chart. We were looking for a big moment in time for XRP. We were anticipating a possible breakdown scenario below these EMAs to test some nice lows, but guess what? XRP decided to do the complete opposite and just bang on. Now remember, we need to pass that 92 cent zone. It is a historical resistance zone. We need to break through it, and once we do, right? Because I believe that we will. Once we finally do, it's onward and upward to $1 plus. Guys, it has been worth the wait. It has been worth the wait. And just recently, Coinbase saying W for Ripple, the industry, builders, clear rule book, updating the system. Oh, and XRP is now open for trading. You know what's very special about this is that we were all waiting for this to happen. You know, now we have this case finally put behind us. It feels like a massive weight has been lifted off my shoulders, because you know what? We were talking about the case for so long. I mean, we're talking for 2.5 years. We were talking about this case, and we could finally put it to rest. And even Ripple saying XRP is not a security. This victory for Ripple is a win for the entire industry and a step towards regulatory clarity in the US. A huge thank you to Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson, and Stuart Alderati for their leadership, and the XRP community for their continued support. You know, I really do have to give it up to Ripple. You know, $200 million later, we finally get this case put behind us. But you know what? One thing that I will mention is that there's pros and cons to this victory. XRP, it's great for XRP. It's great for the retail sector. The problem is this good for Ripple, right? Because we talked a little bit about it in the live stream. Over here from Adam Cochran, we do see Ripple case. Here's the good and the bad, but it is mostly very good for all altcoins and a surprisingly big win for XRP. First, the judge did decide institutional sales / fundraising was securities, which is more so concluding that Ripple's institutional sales of XRP is basically securities. Now, does this slow down Ripple? Does this stop Ripple from doing what they were doing? Essentially, yes, but the programmatic sales on exchanges didn't meet third prong of Howey, so sales to users via exchanges was fine, as long as it was through order book and not ICO / IEO / launchpad like things. Bounties, investments, and other using XRP, grants using XRP, and transfers to executives in XRP not considered securities. Overall, a huge win. XRP is one of the most centralized foundations with a key figurehead who had standard sales via exchanges and formal distribution programs. If those aren't securities, nearly nothing sold via exchanges is. Moral: don't do institutional private round / OTC. Sell via exchanges. Distribute via protocol natively. And of course, screw you, Gensler. Win. P.S. If XRP isn't a security, clearly Bitcoin and Ethereum are not either. Good luck on stopping the ETF now, Gensler. One huge winner here is exchanges. If institutional sales, OTC, and direct token sale raises our securities, then all selling is going to flow through public order books again. No more billions in convertible funding rounds early on. Now, to be fair, remember this is on the summary judgment, and so you can have this go further to trial and appeal, etc. It doesn't mean case closed, but it's a huge win and well-reasoned. And yes, it is a huge win. Listen, this really is a staple in the case. And, you know, I'm just saying this right now. As we look at the future around the space, I'm so bullish. Guys, how could you take a step back with everything that has happened today and even the last couple weeks? Everything is in our direction in terms of our favor around the space. We're talking about utility. Utility is here to stay. Ripple continues to expand. On-demand liquidity around XRP, in my opinion, is going to also become a big deal. I believe that we are going to start to see a lot more things go live from here on out. A lot of people have speculated around Fed now. It's basically almost a week away now. We got this major decision right beforehand. Are we going to see Fed now utilizing XRP or Ripple themselves? We have no idea, but we do have a ton of connections with them. But I definitely do find it odd that the timing of this is right on par with Fed now. Again, I don't like to believe in coincidences. You guys know me. So we're kind of connecting the dots. Might do a video on that a little bit later. But, you know, one thing to me that is very interesting is the demand on XRP. Now we realize, right, why so many major maxis around Bitcoin and Ethereum are so fearful of XRP, because this has happened overnight. It literally happened overnight in terms of the market cap and the volume of XRP. I even retweeted something actually on my Twitter. It was somebody, yeah, here we have it. It was TradingView actually. XRP market cap at 10 a.m., 24 billion. XRP market cap now, 42 billion. And at the time that I'm making this video, yeah, it's almost $43 billion. I mean, we're talking about almost an increase of $20 billion in a matter of hours overnight. This is why I always warn you guys that, listen, you need to be prepared at all times of anything in this market. We're talking about a major move to the upside or even a major move to the downside. You can never be too prepared. That's why we always make sure that we are looking at everything. The number one thing that gets me so bullish about this major move on XRP though, is it's very similar to all the major moves in the past where we did surpass the 200 3-day EMA, this blue line. As long as we can remain above it, I am so damn bullish on the future around XRP in the next couple weeks, months, and even years ahead. This is a historical moment. And guys, I am so happy to be able to be talking about XRP every single day on this channel to so many incredible individuals out there. I said it in the live stream. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone out there that is still supporting the channel, that is still here today, because I'm telling you, the channel would be nothing without the community behind it. And I want to thank you all for being a part of it and for being a part of this journey for 2.5 years, guys. We have been on the right side of history for well over, look at the amount of days. Look at this. We're talking about over 925 days since we bottomed in December of 2020 to today. That's how long it's been. And I cannot wait for the next monumental moment. And what will that be? Breaking the all-time high. 2,000 plus days. Imagine what happens when that happens. So with that being said, thank you to all of you for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. So it's up to you all. Have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are on this world. That's been Nick. Peace out, guys.